So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome to Cloud Security 2, Identity and Access Management, known as IAM. In this session, we'll explore the critical role of IAM in securing cloud environments. We'll cover why IAM is essential, its core components, and effective implementation strategies. Let's define identity and access management. IAM is the security discipline that enables the right individuals to access the right resources at the right times and for the right reasons. It's about managing digital identities, whether those identities belong to people, applications, or devices, and controlling how they can be used. A robust IAM system ensures that only authorized entities can access sensitive data and critical systems, preventing unauthorized access and potential breaches. We'll explore the key aspects in the upcoming slides. IAM is even more critical in the cloud than in traditional on-premises environments. This is due to a few key factors: the distributed nature of cloud resources, reliance on API access, and the shared responsibility model. Cloud resources are spread across various servers, making centralized control challenging. Cloud environments rely heavily on APIs, which can be vulnerabilities if not secured by IAM. With the shared responsibility model, you are responsible for security in the cloud, making IAM a cornerstone. Effective IAM is a necessity to prevent unauthorized access, a leading cause of data breaches. Now that we know why IAM is critical, let's look at some of its core concepts. First, there's identity. This is the unique digital representation of a user, an app, or even a device, like a username or email address. Next is authentication. That's the process of verifying who you are, using methods like passwords, multi-factor authentication, or biometrics. Then comes authorization. This decides what an identity is allowed to do, whether they can just view a file or also edit and delete it. And finally, access control. This is how authorization rules are enforced, often using tools like access control lists or role-based access control, RBAC. Together, these make up the backbone of any IAM system. To keep cloud environments secure, following IAM best practices is essential. Start with the principle of least privilege. This means giving users the minimum permissions they need, nothing more. Always use strong authentication. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security beyond just a password. Perform regular access reviews. Check who has access to what and clean up unnecessary permissions. And lastly, aim for centralized IAM. Managing access from a single point helps maintain consistency and control across your cloud systems. Each major cloud provider has its own IAM solution, but they all follow the same basic principles. In Amazon Web Services, IAM lets you define users, groups, roles, and policies to manage access. Microsoft Azure uses Azure Active Directory, which supports single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and conditional access rules. Google Cloud has its own IAM framework that uses a hierarchical model to assign roles and permissions. While the tools differ, the goals are the same: manage identities, verify them, control what they can do, and enforce access policies. Even with great tools, IAM still comes with challenges. One big challenge is the complexity of managing access across many different services and environments. Another is misconfiguration. Giving too many privileges, even by accident, can create serious security risks. There's also the risk of identity sprawl, when users have multiple accounts across systems, making it harder to manage and monitor access. And finally, compliance requirements can be tough to meet without proper IAM controls in place. Recognizing these challenges helps us design better, more secure IAM strategies. And that concludes our video on identity and access management. Join us next for data protection. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.